December 14, 2025, Buddha Dhamma, the end of chapter 7, Appendix. Appendix from 6 and 7. 6 is chapter 7.16 is going over the noble Buddha's disciples and their attributes or the qualities that they have attained through tapas or realization or austerities that they have gained. I'm not going to read that, but you could go to Buddha Dhamma, and it is at page 810 to 811. But the last appendix is Appendix 7, 7.17. 7 noble beings, page 812, Buddha Dhamma. For the comparison, a varying explanation of the 7 known beings is as follows. Note that several times in the sutra are inconsistencies in various editions of the Tipitaka between the Thai and the Romans editions. So we have a Satanusari, a person who does not contact with the body and abide in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial, arupa sammapati, but are some of the taints, some of their asavats are destroyed through seeing the noble truths with panya, with wisdom. He has a adequate faith and love for the tathagata. Furthermore, he has these faculties: faith, energy, mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom. Secondly, Adhammanusari, a person who does not contact with the body and abide in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial. Some of the taints, asavats, are destroyed through seeing the noble truths with wisdom. He is adequately understood by wise reflection, yo niso mana sikara, through wise reflection. Those teachings proclaimed by the Tathagata, he has the faculties of faith, energy, mindfulness, concentration, and wisdom. Thirdly, Sattva Vimutta, a person who does not contact with the body and abide in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial. But some of their taints, asavats, are destroyed through seeing the noble truths with wisdom. His faith is planted, rooted, and established in the Tathagata. Fourth is the Ditthipata, a person who does not contact with the body and abide in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial. But some of the taints, asavats, are destroyed through seeing the noble truths with wisdom. He is clearly understood, correctly applies with wisdom those teaching proclaims by the Tathagata. Fifth, Kaya Sakti, a person who contacts with the body and abides in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial. Some of their asavats or taints are destroyed through seeing the noble truths with wisdom. The sixth kind of person is apanya vimutta, a person who does not contact with the body and abide in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial, but all their asavats are destroyed through seeing the noble truth with wisdom. A good example for apanya vimutta is Sariputra. The seventh is Upatapaga Vimutta, a person who contacts with the body and abides in those liberations that are peaceful and immaterial, and has destroyed all the asavas through seeing the noble truth with wisdom. Lastly, Appendix 8, the 4 kinds of sattva. Satra, faith, 7:18. There are a group of factors established in later periods of time dividing faith, belief into four kinds. Kamma satta, believe in karma, believe in states of actions, arrived. Second, vipaka satta, believe in fruits of karma. Third, kamma sakkata satta, believes that beings are the owners of their own actions, karma. And fourth, tathagata bodhisatta, faith in the Buddha's awakening. Apart from the fourth one, the tathagata bodhisatta, a term formed from the Pali satta sati tathagata bodhim, this group of four is not found in the Tipitaka or even in the commentaries. This collection of four is a compilation of teaching found in different locations, but they are not found in the Pali Canon, the Tipitaka, as these terms. For example, Kammasaka Satta is only found in the Tipitaka as Kammasakata Nana. In the earlier suttas, there is only Kammasakata. In the commentaries, one finds Kammasakata Panya and Kammasakata Diti. These concern matters of wisdom. Kammasatra and Vipakasatra are derived from teachings and concerning karma, which are usually associated with Michatiti, associated with wrong view, and right view, Samatiti. These specific terms are not found in the Tipitaka. Even the expression believing in karma, which is of the five qualities of a lay disciple, upasaka dhamma, is translated from kammam patyeti, which means focusing on achievement through action rather than relying on luck. The subject reflects the development of Buddhist thought and tradition in the later post-canonical times. So after the Tipitaka. That's the end of chapter 7.